Hello, folks. So I was interrupted, and I was starting a video previously to this video. Now I had to delete that one because I was interrupted by a lady that I had met last night when I got into this resort, to Valentin Resort. So I just decided to delete that video and start this one. Otherwise, I'm just talking, right? I was talking to her. She wanted to know where the buffet, that area was. So here I am. So as I was saying about wanting to talk about, let me reiterate that one. I wasn't talking about it because I had deleted it. So I want to say something about someone I saw just as I was walking up for the last video. So I'm going to be going, there's some changes, a couple little changes have changed since I've been here. Now, with who I saw, let me get into that part. When I'm walking through the resort here, before that last video, or after that last video, I ran into somebody that I did not expect to see during the day. One of the workers that drives around, picks us up, day on. I happened to run into him, so I was chatting with him for the last 10 minutes before I started this video. What an interesting thing. I didn't know he's working during the day anymore. I mean, it's been a year almost since I've been here, and I told him the story about coming back here and what I decided to not do originally, maybe at that point. So here I am, back again. So I told him what I did, that I was planning on coming back for another year, and this time for a month. So, that said, I was just chatting with him for like a good 10 minutes almost. And yeah, that's what I ran into. The driver, day on. Last night, it was Joel working the evening shifts. So anyway, that said, I'm going to talk about it in another video, but there's some changes here that are different from before. Again, I'll dedicate that to a separate video. But at the end of the day, basically, to finish this off, I'm excited because I'm looking at things that are happening. There is going to be some other details that I will bring up too, about cigars and other items that are for sale, and I will talk more about that in a future video. Again, when I get to that point. So, to finish this off, as I mentioned a moment ago, or did I mention about it? Anyway, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to finish this off. I'm glad to be back. I'm literally just in the last day, today specifically, I've been chit-chatting with people that I know, people that I didn't really talk to too much last year as well. Just chatting with them and getting to know them again, and just because I hadn't talked to them too much last year, I went to Mike's coffee shop and spoke with the lady in there. It's not Siley today, she's in tomorrow, which I will chat with her tomorrow. But I'm going to finish this off like I just said. I know I'm just still chatting my ear off, or is it your ear? Again, I'll finish this off. I just waved into a couple gardeners, I guess. It looks like somebody I've never seen before. Never seen them before, but they've probably been around. Hola. Hola. How are you?
What are you?
Good. Excellent. So, just talking to these gardeners I hadn't seen last year. There's like a bunch of them on this resort, by the way, that I've never met or seen. I don't know if there's anybody else, but again, I'm still chatting. I said I was going to finish this off, but here I go again. Maybe I'll split this into parts. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, that said, it's been an interesting morning to afternoon since I've been here. Running into Dayon. Before that, I was just coming from the front, chatting in my last video here before this one, and went to go see Siley, but she wasn't in today at the Mike's coffee shop. and all that. So yeah, I think that's about it for now. I will, if I think of anything else to talk about, I will chat about it later. I know there's more things that I want to talk about and or show you. Go from there. So that said, I'm going to leave it at that, and now I'm going to let you go. Again, I might put this into 2 parts. You'll not know whether or not it's 2 parts. I will mention that when I do 1 or 2 parts, depending. So anyway, enough chatting to me. Just let the clan go. Let people go and go on to the next video. Okay? Till the next video, see you then. Ciao for now.